Welcome back to FacTech Engineering. In today's video, we'll explore the key hardware components that make up your computer and understand their roles in powering your devices. Computers are complex machines made up of several crucial components. Understanding these components is essential for anyone looking to dive deeper into computer engineering or simply to better grasp how your computer works. First up, the Machine Central Processing Unit, MUSUN, or CPU. Often referred to as the brain of the computer, the CPU performs calculations and processes instructions. It's responsible for executing commands from both hardware and software. CPUs come in various models and speeds, with multi-core processors allowing for better multitasking and performance. Next, the Machine Graphics Processing Unit, or GPU. This component is crucial for rendering images, videos, and animations. It offloads these tasks from the CPU, enabling smoother graphics and video playback. GPUs are particularly important for gaming, video editing, and applications involving 3D graphics and artificial intelligence. Then we have Random Access Memory, or RAM. Think of RAM as the computer's short-term memory. It temporarily stores data that the CPU uses for quick access, allowing your computer to run multiple applications simultaneously without slowing down. More RAM generally means your computer can handle more tasks at once and switch between them seamlessly. Finally, we have storage devices, including hard disk drives, HDDs, and solid-state drives, SSDs. These components store your data, files, and software. HDDs are traditional spinning disks that offer larger storage capacity at a lower cost, while SSDs are faster and more reliable, making them ideal for quicker boot times and faster file access. Understanding these components helps you make informed decisions when purchasing or upgrading your computer. It also gives you a deeper appreciation for the technology that drives our digital world. If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to keep up with our latest tech insights. Got questions or topics you'd like us to cover? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.